hurt and traumatized by all the horrifying accusations against our beloved Kundu by the media and by people who watched a 20-second edited clip. China is a killer! Media, take the facts! Media, take the facts! Tell the truth! 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 We want justice! What do we want? We want to! What do we want? No! Media must apologize! No! We want justice! What do we want? We want to! What do we want? No! Media must apologize! No! Long life! Long life! Long life! Free Tibet! Please, I want people to put a hand up. If you know a family member, a relative, a friend who has been tortured by the Chinese government over the last 70 years of oppression, please put up your hand if you know someone who's been tortured by the Chinese government. Let the record state, every single Tibetan here, 500 people, have their hands up. Every single person here has lost a loved one to the Chinese Communist Party. Murder, rape, torture. This is what the Chinese Communist Party has perpetrated on the Tibetan people. The Tibetan people have been invaded, they've been occupied, they've been colonized by the Chinese Communist Party. This colonization, this murder, this torture, it continues to the present day.
As a Tibetan, we revere His Holiness, we worship His Holiness, we love His Holiness. But as non-Tibetans, as non-Buddhists, as somebody who has nothing to do with Tibet, I can understand how you have perceived it. But this is also how they wanted you to perceive this video.
Media, tell the truth!
Media, tell the truth!
Media, tell the truth!
Media, tell the truth!
China lies, people die!
China lies, people die!
China lies, people die!
Everywhere you go in the world, there are wars, there are corruption, there are people killing each other. At that time, if there is one person, everybody can look up to and seek hope. It's His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, who is a ripe age of 89. He keeps hope for all around the world.
Media must apologize! Media must apologize! Stop defending the Dalai Lama! 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 Lama. Stop defending the Dalai Lama. Media must show whole story. Media must show whole story.
Now, of course, it is on social media, and there are some just of the worst people talking about this, just the worst people. These are people who seek attention. They live in a world of outrage and anger. They're not our friends, and they never were our friends. They're never going to march with us. They're never going to help us. They're inconsequential to our struggle. Do not give them power. They should not have it. What we can do, put the word out about His Holiness. Tell the world all the good things He's done. Serve Him in that way. All the young ones on social media are amazing. They've risen to this occasion. They're fighting in a beautiful way. Let's do that. Let's show the world who He is. We have nothing to fear. We have nothing to apologize for. His Holiness is who He is, and we know who He is. And in the end, this will go. This will pass. His Holiness will still be one of the most beautiful, true leaders ever to walk on this earth. And not just for us, but for all of humanity. That's what will last. And we cannot let China have this moment. That's what this is about. They want to delegitimize Him. They want to delegitimize our struggle. This is their attempt. Why? Because they've got nothing. Let's talk about our struggle. Let's show them what China is doing in Tibet. Take the energy, take all of your emotion, and fight for our country and our survival. Please. All the young ones who are hurt by this, and it's hard to see your parents and your grandparents hurt, trust me, I know. I feel it too. But let's take it all and let's fight. Fight China's occupation of Tibet. Fight for our people inside. Fight for our language. Fight for our culture. It is what is truly at threat.
다 인데레 가래 먼저 변내래 겨로 딜라도 소스 파말레 자치도 공서저로 다 내려 팀이 슈도 오늘 거를 갈라오로 다지 잡주지를 대회 값수 대 소스 자회 라말이야 두스 배티 갸다 베다치제 아니 독스틱 팀이 슈도 셈리아 대회 민도 니에 야고 쇼민도 미체시에 와야디 디레 땅문에 거랑 또 독자직디 제약이 두들레 레요다 다 저가 주로다 직 디게 탕마 파샤야기 두들레 그래서 못들어 기승한조 공서처 면허라 공서처 연내 공서처를 팀이 딘데 슈야기 컨트롤 로고요래 공서처 매워 임바이나 아니 간조 배티 텔레능 시 컨트 파주 유그래서 모두 딜레도 따탄다 직 내든 갱이 조사도 체죠 공서처를 팀에도 슈르텔레 임바이네 먼저 상마 독도 직디 차오라 따디 무튼에 들어가야 돼 개침부터 어디다가는 슈